Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Welcome to my Beauty Supply Slay series. My name is Wynne Jean. I'm a content creator who specializes in showing you guys how to get salon quality hair at home. In each episode, I'll show you a new hairstyle that you can achieve using hair from your local beauty supply store. I believe that every girl should be able to slay their own hair in a pinch and on a budget. And with my tips, tricks, and product recommendations, you'll be ready in no time. So today we're working with the Ponytail ponytail. It's this pre-made wrap ponytail that makes like really sleek ponytails really easy to do. So I'm excited AF for this style. I have it in a length of 24 inches, the color number 2, and the texture body wave. I want it to be very like loose, beachy, wavy type of vibes. So my hair has already been blow dried out and I kind of lightly pressed it. I didn't want to apply too much heat to my hair because I'm about to get tape-ins and I'm bringing you guys with me, so be on the lookout for that video. But I'm starting off by parting my hair from ear to ear. You're gonna see why in a little while, but it's really gonna help us to get our ponytail as sleek and slick as possible, honey.
Till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
I'm using a bit of edge control to sleek my hair back into a ponytail, and for right now the rat tail comb is going to be your best friend because it's going to make sure that the hair is smooth all the way down to the scalp. Sometimes brushes will kind of smooth over the top, but it won't be flat because there are like kinks that the brush isn't getting to. With the rat tail comb, you get it super smooth, super slick, and it tends to stay that way once you start to add the ponytail holder to it, which you need. You don't want it to start rippling when you put your ponytail holder on it. So this is our base ponytail for the slick ponytail. There's a lot of ponytails, but stay with me, bear with me, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and slick back this front layer on top of the back, and because the back is already smooth, it's a lot easier because I'm not trying to slick all of my hair at once. I got most of my hair already in place, and now I'm just doing like the finishing touches and getting this part like, okay, laid. I don't even know if that's a word. I'm sure it's not a word, but y'all feel me. I know y'all do. We be here. You want to make sure to kind of brush your baby hairs out ahead of time because if you slick them back, you're going to have to pull them out and then your ponytail is going to be messed up. So I'm kind of combing my baby hairs out and then slicking the rest of my hair back. And to kind of seal it in, I'm applying a little bit of that olive oil hairspray onto my hair for this layer just because I want to have a little bit more added security on it. It's the one that's on the outside. It's going to be hitting the elements, okay? And I need it to last. You can really keep your hair in this ponytail for a long time. Just take the ponytail off at night, put it back on in the morning, and put your scarf on your natural ponytail to keep it fresh. So I went ahead and smoothed this layer back, and now I'm applying a scrunchie to it so we can have the full base of our ponytail. And if your hair is shorter or a little bit thinner, you can keep it down, but because my hair is super thick and the texture is a lot different than the ponytail, I don't want it to be like a huge difference. So I'm braiding my hair up about 3/4 of the way down, and this is what I'm going to wrap my ponytail around. Now, it's a pro tip to leave out the end of your ponytail. It just allows for it to move a lot more freely, and you don't have to worry about a braid sticking out, if that makes sense. You don't want like a braid sticking out the center of your ponytail, but this little fluffy end will blend right in. So if your hair is similar in texture or thickness to mine, definitely try that out. And now y'all know what time it is. I'm taking a little bit of my edge control and I'm applying that to my edges. And y'all know we gotta smooth the kitchen up too. Let's not even play games. I love the Edge Booster Edge Control and the pineapple scent. It smells so good and it lasts a really long time. And now we're going to just go ahead and tie our hair down and get everything nice and smooth while we start to focus on the ponytail. So this is our hair, and as you can see, it's a base area with a comb, and then there's a little extra little piece on the side. I'm going to show you what to do with it. So I'm applying the comb to the base of my ponytail, and this is my first time using this hair. Pro tip, you can actually apply that comb onto your actual braid, not at the base, but on the braid. But it comes out pretty cute either way. The other way is just a little tinctures more smooth. And then I wrap the hair around until I end up with only this additional little 1-inch thin piece on the side. And this is what we use to create the band around the base of the ponytail and to blend our hair with the ponytail. So I kind of brushed it out just to get it smooth, got everything in place, and now I'm starting to wrap that hair around the base, creating a really smooth transition from our hair into the ponytail. And once I have it a little shorter, I'm applying a bit more of that holding spray and using that to kind of mold the hair in place so that I don't have to use too many bobby pins to hold it. And as you can see, it is super cute. I'm gonna just brush through the actual ponytail a little bit to get the hair, you know, fluffy, and then this is the finished look. Do we love it? Are we obsessed? What do the girls think? Let me know in the comments. I think this hair is gorgeous. It is perfect for running errands. You can go out. Don't forget to let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video next week. I love you. Bye, babes.